Kaspa at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback to the downside after getting rejected within a Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.09349 and the 0.09848, and we continue to hold above a horizontal line of support above the 0.08189. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the next target areas that I'm paying attention to, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.13192, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the wave 2 highlighted on the charts, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of these wave 3 over here, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of that wave 3. And also doing the area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1, and that lies above the 0.08829, an area that we fully maximized. And in that pullback, we saw a low, we made a low below the 0.07749. Then we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of an edge wave count 4, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave to the low of the third wave over there. And the area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.5 and the 3H2, and that is between the 0.09856 and the 0.09351, where you can see that we almost hit the fib level 0.382, and we are now seeing further downside over here. And it is most likely that whatever is playing out is now the start of the formation of these wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by extending the fib extension over here to the low of that wave 3. And on so doing, the area that you need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.06017 as your next target area. So if by any chance we get another pullback, losing our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189, flipping it back into resistance, maybe with a retest, then we can continue watching for lower prices to fully hit our minimum target areas to the downside in the formation of that wave 5 above the 0.06 mark. And the moment we have a complete 5-wave structure to the lower side, then I will be expecting a substantial bounce over here, breaking above key areas of resistances and significant highs. But for now, I'm only focusing on lower prices on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.